So I think the common thought is you get what you pay for, especially when it comes to tech. And in this case, we're talking about wireless earbuds. Like a vast sea, it seems there are countless versions of earbuds. How can you keep track of all of them? How can you find out which one is even worth it, or even more important, reliable? Well, it looks like all of that is about to change. In comes the Ankbit E3 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, let me be clear. I, like you, was skeptical. I was already like, yeah, okay, let's see what you got. And then it put me in my place. Let's get into it. So the Ankbit E3 True Wireless Earbuds. Before we get to the performance, let's see what you get in the box. Immediately, you'll see our two earbuds, left and right. You have the charging case, 3 additional interchangeable earpieces for different sizes of ears, and a USB-C charging cable and instructions to give the basics of operating your earbuds. Put your earbuds in a case so you can charge it. It has a very satisfying magnetic pull that just takes your earbuds and secures it in place. You can see how much charge the case has by the number here, and you can see the individual charge of each earbud. You charge the case by using the USB-C cord and plug it into a power source. And I'm sorry if this is old news to you, but this blew my mind. The case itself can actually charge your phone. What? Why wasn't this done before? Pairing is simple. Just open the case, which automatically puts it into pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth, and when it shows up, pair. Alright, so just a little side note, the earbuds, they go in and they go in going up, right here fitting with your ear. They don't go down like that. Completely different experience when wearing it either or. Just letting you know, speaking from experience or just speaking for a friend. Okay, so how do they sound? Good. Really good, actually. Audio is clear and crisp, and it has a good amount of bass to really get you into the music. But side note, AirPods do have more bass. Is that a good thing? I'm not sure. When I was going back and forth between the two, I was kind of put off by the extra bass that the AirPods offer. It will come down to preference, but it is something that you get used to either way. Also, keep in mind, you do get that effect where it completely cancels out the sound of the world around you. Everything sounds muffled, and you're like, what? What? Right? So now let's do a voice test. We'll use the phone's voice memos recorder, but obviously over a cellular network, the sound may degrade. For comparison's sake, we'll match these up against the Apple AirPods. This is what the microphone sounds like on the Ankbit E3's wireless earbud. I'm just talking to it right now. Let me know what you think of the difference. All right, let's put in the AirPods. And this is the sound quality of the Apple AirPods being recorded on the voice memo recorder. As you can see, I think there's no clear winner. It's pretty much up to your preference. But share what your thoughts are down below. Next, how do they hold up under activity? From my experience, they hold up very well, especially since they are tucked in nicely in the inner earlobe of your ear. Yeah, they stay secure during jumping jacks, push-ups, and even running. Waterproof? Yeah, I got caught in the rain a couple of times when going for a run. It held up just nice with sweat and the rain. Will I jump in a pool with them? Nope. Nothing against the buds, I just wouldn't do that. Okay, so what are my final thoughts? These are actually really good earbuds. Really good sounding when listening to music, videos, and phone calls. Love the look and the ability to charge your phone with a charging case and the interchangeable earpieces for different ear sizes. Some cons I had with them? Nothing crazy. I wish the audio would stop when pulling them out of your ear, but it doesn't. And at first, changing the earpieces, it's a bit of a pain, but you're only doing it once you figure out what size you're gonna use. So what are your thoughts on the Ankbit E3s? I personally love them and use them on a daily basis. Love the charging aspect, so it's always with me. I'll leave links down below so you can get more info and check out other reviews as well. Until the next video, guys, learn, do, and share. Take care.